Brand, CamelBak. Color, Coyote. Item weight, 227 grams. Item dimensions LxWxH, 11 by 2.5 by 2.5 inches. Made of the highest quality materials. Camping backpacks hydration packs replacement parts. Another quality CamelBak product. Top reviews from the United States. Worth it. I bought this at the recommendation of a friend and I am so glad I did. I had been using the basic hose and mouthpiece that comes with a CamelBak backpack, but the insulated hose, the option to remove the mouthpiece and the more durable materials this is constructed for means I always have cold beverages on trail when I need them. It also means I can quickly detach the mouthpiece and fill an external bottle in a pinch or after I get home instead of just dumping out the remainder of my bladder into the sink. Very happy with the result of this purchase.